Hey guys, welcome to Mike It Yourself. Today we're gonna swap out these ugly pegs for the shifter, shifter pegs. I don't know what there's a real name for them, but they're the pegs on the shifter. We're gonna swap those out to something that looks a little bit better, and not just these ugly deals. So let's take a look at what these new ones are gonna look like. All right, so if you're cruising YouTube and you're looking at Harley stuff, then you probably know who Traveling Tall is. And if you don't, check out his channel. It's pretty cool. He's got a lot of content. He's much, one of the larger YouTubers that is motorcycle related. And yeah, so great channel, really cool stuff. Well, he had a video where he covered, I think it was a couple of things that he bought off of Amazon with a grand total of like $75. And so he's got some great stuff in there. Check it out. I think there are some pretty good investments in there. But the thing that stood out for me was these shifter pegs. So he pointed these out that they're the part of like, or they look like, I guess this is the Streamline series from Harley Davidson, these types of floorboards. And these pegs here, they look very similar. So it just looks nicer. They got that chrome look on the bottom. Overall, I think it's just a better look, especially compared to these stock things. I mean, these are kind of cheapies that I think Harley just puts on them. So that way there's something there. So we're going to swap these out. It should be a very simple process. It should just be a matter of removing the screws and then screwing in the new ones. We will use just a drop of Loctite just to make sure, things don't rotate out on us or anything like that. And then, yeah, we'll take a look at it. So let's go ahead and take these things off. One of the rare times I will go ahead and record that process just because this is a really simple process altogether, and it's going to be a short one.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay guys, so I mean, as you saw, it's a simple process. Now the one part that you'll probably have to work through, and I'm gonna have to do it myself, is just making sure that the angle of these is just right for your foot, right? So depending on your riding style, how you do your shifting, you may want to, maybe pull this up a little bit more because your heel is more at an angle. Same thing with your toe. Maybe you want to put it up higher. I don't know. That's going to be, everybody's preference as to how they like it. But overall, I think these things look really great. Like, I mean, again, they kind of flow with the all of the foot pegs I have, foot pegs and floorboards. So that was a low cost win. So these were like $20 on Amazon, and I forget who the vendor is, but like I said, if you watch Traveling Tall's video on those things, you'll get a couple of great recommendations. Another one was like a USB deal that plugs into the battery charger cable that comes stock on touring bikes. So it gives you the opportunity to be able to plug in your phone for charging or whatever, and it doesn't care if the bike is on or off. So that's a huge plus too. So some pretty cool stuff. Again, Traveling Tall's channel, right? hopefully you found this as something that you're like, hey, that's cool. I think I'm going to do it too. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. If you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. And until the next one, I hope to see you in the wind.